Okay, back to this motor. Get this thing apart, go work on the cylinder, and put it back together again. Wasting time again, as usual. Let's see, that's all Allen bolts it looks like. One of them. That's too big. Grab this, and it'll work. I've been rearranging my pulleys. Alright, there's the right one for that. Alright, it went somewhere. This bearing was a little tight, as I recall, last time I did it. Yeah, a little bit. So you'll loosen that bearing up anyway. Alright, so I'm going to go press this off, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Crank's out. I got the washer out. That's going to get thicker. Thicker is better. More clearance. You got to have clearance in your crank or you have problems. We didn't have enough clearance in our crank. So we're going to grow this by 1.5 thou or so. I want some clearance. I might even go more than that. Okay, this one appears to be about 9. I'm measuring a couple spots. 9. Okay, so we're going to go up to 11 or 12 or something bigger. Okay, there's our 9 shim. They're pretty low. We needed more 9s anyway. Good. Alright. 8, there's 9. Skip 10, go right to 11. Don't have very many 11s. Maybe go to a 12. Ooh, we got a lot of 12s. Ooh, we got a lot of 12s. I like 12. Okay, let's see how big a 12 is. A 12 is 12. That's a full 2 thou up. That will gain a lot of clearance. This 11 and a half, 11 and 3/4. That's a solid 11 and a half right there. So that's 1.5 up. I like that number. That'll give me about 3 thou more in play at least, which is what I'm looking for. Nothing worse than having a tight crank in a race motor. It will break everything and suck up horsepower. Okay, so that goes in a crank next time we put together, which will be in a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take this and bolt it together. Just have a couple dowel pins here for alignment. I already surfaced the cases the other day so that they would bolt together again. Okay, put some bolts in here. About all we got bolts for. Some more bolts. Center bolt's missing, so it's actually all bent up, so it's not in there. I could put one in there, the threads are still in there, but it's not important. mocked up. Still feel fairly flat. Now follow there. Okay, so I'm going to take this over the other milling machine over there, and we're going to set it up over here to do what we need to do. So first thing we have to do is get some material over here to work on. Alright, let's get this up out of the way. First thing needs light. Okay, and we need a heavy piece of iron up here, which is right on the floor down here. Not this little light duty one. I need the big one. All the heavy shit, see, it's on the floor, it has to go on a table up here. So first thing I do is wipe it off, because it's been sitting down here on the floor for a while. I'm going to have to blow it off also. Alright. Let me throw this up on a table over here. I'm going to wind up bolting our case to this so that we can do our machining. Down here. One of those. Another one. One of them. Okay, I'm going to bolt this down and we'll be back. Okay, back on this case, major issues. Couldn't get this dowel pin out. I tried heating it up, then I tried really heating it up. And all I wound up doing is just tearing the case up with a pair of vice grips. I got a big gouge right there now, which I don't like very much. And the dowel pin's all screwed up. Cannot get the thing to even move, which I tore up the case. Hate doing that shit. So anyway, I'm gonna have to cut it out now. So hopefully it's not super hard. If it is, we're gonna have even more problems, because right now it's destroying everything I've done to it. So I don't know what the hell they did to put it in there so tight, but it's in there tight. Okay, I'm gonna try to center drill it and see if it'll drill. If it doesn't drill, then it's heat treating it's good. Let's see. I'm gonna go get one of my screwed up center drills instead of a good one. If I break it or something, it won't hurt it. Let's see what happens. Drilling. That's a good sign. At least it drilled out deep. It's definitely not soft, but it's cutting. Alright, let's see if we can break a drill off. Let's see, what drills we got to break? Yeah, I got some of these. Come on, camera. Oh, the tripod's going to screw with me too. What the hell, everything else is today. Alright. Let's see what I'm going to use. Sure what I'm gonna do here. I can't. Yeah, who knows? I have no idea how I'm gonna get this thing out of here. We're gonna just bore it out, and if we're lucky, this will take the tension off it, and I hit a bigger drill on it, and it'll grab a hold of it and just spin and come out. That's what I'm hoping for. Alright, probably going to screw this drill up. Pulling a chip, that's a good sign. There's a quick cotton right there. It definitely is hard. It's a lot of pressure to get the start cutting. Oh, didn't want to cut anymore. It's a lot of pressure. Okay, 2 hands on here. Not cutting, just sliding the drill bit, I'm sure. Yeah, that quit cutting completely. Yeah, appears to have a lack of a center drill part anymore. Yeah, pretty well killed that drill. And it's only about halfway through it. Alright, so now I gotta sharpen the drill bit. I should take it back and do it on the grinder. But I'll do it over here on the diamond grinder. I'm sure it won't like it very much. Diamond grinders don't like steel. A little sharper, but still not very good. Pretty dull in the center. Let's see if it's enough. Tighten up a little tighter so the drill will break real easy. Okay. See what happens. Noise but not cutting. That was not enough to make it cut. And I'll try that again. We haven't totally destroyed the drill yet. We're doing a good job of it. Okay. Sharpen again. Got a very low angle on it, so it's almost dragging. So it won't grab in. Hopefully it'll push through. Probably not. Nope. Nothing. Try faster speed. Nope. Alright, that one's not going to work. That drill is killed. Oh yeah, it's not a happy camper. Alright, well we know how a dowel pin is hardened. So let's see if we can find something harder to cut with. Now we go to some expensive drills. Carbide.